Being part of Levaero, to me, is rather rewarding.
I love working at Levaero because of the team I get to work with.
Being part of Levaero means being part of something that's more than just a company. Something more that just provides work for you to do.
Levaero is a very family-oriented company, and anything that you do at the company, they want to support you through it.
Gives me a sense of accomplishment. It's very nice. I love it.
Levaero is different from other places that I've worked at because we do something different every day. I don't ever come into work and see the same inspections or the same modifications. We get different special mission projects and anything in between.
I'd say what makes Levaero different is that they actually show a lot of appreciation for their employees. They're always trying to better improve what the employees feel and how their morale is.
When you're working here, you never feel alone. You always have some kind of support, guidance, help. There's always someone to talk to and always someone to listen to.
Since joining Levaero, my career started as a hangar assistant and helping the maintenance department pick up deliveries, parts, a variety of things, to completing my apprenticeship, becoming a licensed engineer, and now I'm ACA certified on the Pilatus platform for the 12s and the 24s.
I started in the parts department, and within the year I was able to switch over to interiors department, which has given me a great amount of growth in a job that I really enjoy coming to every day.
Excellence at Levaero means no cutting corners or sacrificing the quality of your workmanship.
Excellence means we all care about our job, we all care about the product, we all care about the client, to put out a product that we can all be proud of.
Join the team that's elevating Canadian aviation.
Join the team that's elevating Canadian aviation.
Join the team that's elevating Canadian aviation.
Join the team that is elevating Canadian aviation.